Unlock the secret to youthful radiance. Introducing YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha. In the ever-evolving realm of beauty and skincare, the quest for youthful skin has led to the discovery of innovative tools designed to enhance your natural radiance. Introducing the YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha, a cutting-edge facial scraping, sculpting, and tightening tool that is poised to redefine your skincare routine. Combining traditional techniques with modern technology, this remarkable device is your ultimate ally in the battle against aging, puffiness, and facial tension. Transform your skincare regimen. The YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha goes beyond the conventional by integrating both heat and electric vibration therapies to deliver an unparalleled experience. The gentle warmth encourages blood circulation and promotes collagen production, while the electric vibration technique provides an invigorating massage that works on a cellular level to tighten and sculpt your facial contours. The result: a visibly lifted and rejuvenated appearance that defies the passage of time. Targeted solutions for common concerns. Every individual faces unique skincare challenges. Whether you are struggling with the effects of fine lines, wrinkles, under-eye puffiness, or the dreaded double chin, the YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha is equipped to address them all. By utilizing acupressure techniques within your daily routine, this transformative tool encourages lymphatic drainage to reduce facial swelling and tension, effectively promoting a more sculpted profile. Elevate your self-care ritual. Self-care should be a luxurious and rewarding experience. With the YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha, you are not just investing in a tool, you are embracing a lifestyle. Feel the stress of the day melt away as you indulge in a soothing facial treatment that not only enhances your appearance but also uplifts your spirit. Incorporate this tool into your skincare regimen for a few minutes each day, and witness the cumulative benefits it brings to your complexion over time. Why choose YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha? Enhanced sculpting and tightening experience, a noticeable lift that enhances your natural beauty. Versatile application ideal for various areas of the face, including the eyes, cheeks, jawline, and neck. User-friendly design engineered for comfort and ease of use, making it perfect for both novices and experienced skincare enthusiasts. Premium quality crafted with high-quality materials to ensure durability and optimum performance. Conclusion: your pathway to timeless beauty. Join the ranks of those who have discovered the transformative power of the YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha. With its unique blend of ancient wisdom and modern technology, you can achieve the youthful glow you desire. Don't let the signs of aging define you. Embrace the sculpting, tightening, and revitalizing benefits of this innovative tool and unlock a more confident, radiant version of yourself. Order your YouthLab ProSculpt Gua Sha today and step into a world where beauty transcends age. Elevate your skincare routine and witness the difference. Buy now, link in bio. Subscribe and like for more.